How to upload a profile picture on Facebook without cropping. Hey guys, this is Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. Open your Facebook application and tap on the three line icon which is at the top of the toolbar. From here, go to your profile by tapping on your profile name. Now, you will see a camera icon. Tap on the camera icon and select profile picture option. From here, a gallery will open and you can select any photo that you want. Here for an example, I'll be choosing this one. Now, you can adjust the photo if you want by zooming in and zooming out by pinching your fingers. And once you're happy with it, just tap on the save option. Now wait for your profile picture to be uploaded and mind it will take a while. Now once it is uploaded, just let's tap open it. And as you can see, it is not a resized version but the original size of what I chose. Isn't it simple? And this is how you can upload a profile picture without cropping on Facebook. Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.